Welcome back to MLT World channel. Today in this video, friends, I will show you how to clean the eye lens of the microscope with the help of engineer. As you know that in routine microscopy we are using this light microscope, and we have to do the routine based maintenance like cleaning eye lens, objective lens. How to clean objective lens before I already have shown. If you missed, then you tell me, I can make again that video. And in this video our main focus is to clean the eye lens, because eye lens are very important. They will magnify the object and we will see through our eyes with the help of light source. So now the engineer, he will show you that how to clean the eye lenses. He will open the eye lens from this area. There are three screw point. Two are very small and one is little bit bigger. I will show you the screw also which he will use to open, and then we will clean the lens mostly. And actually we should use special wipes that are available to clean the microscope, especially the lenses, but unfortunately now we don't have that wipe. So we will show you with the help of alcohol swabs, earbud and the tissue. But tissue, be careful, we need soft tissue, not like paper tissue. It will make scratches on the glass of the lens. Now you see he is using this screw and he will open these to take out the eye lens out. There two he open with small one, and one he will open with the big one. Now for this need bigger one. Now you see he used this one to open the small screws. This set is available normally in any electrical shop. I will share you the set also, which we must have to keep in our lab to do the emergency maintenance. Now you see this is the outer part and this is the inner part of the lens. Sometimes dust will enter. If dust particles are very small, they can enter inside the lens also. So now we will clean. First in this video we will show the one lens, and then same way will you clean the other lens also. If I will show both lenses how to clean, the video will be long. So now you see he take this alcohol swab, and with very soft hand we have to move. We should not use any force or any pressure rubbing to avoid any scratches. So just with the soft hands we will clean the lens from inside and outside. And then one lens is inside also, that later on I will show you. That also we have to clean. Now you see with the help of earbud he is moving each corner also of the lens, so that any dust in the corners also it will clean. But very softly have to move the bud to clean the lens. Either you can let it dry with air, or let you can dry with tissue also. Now this is one other ring under the eye lens part, that also will take out to clean. This is only in the left side of the eye lens. Right side this not available, so right side only one lens we will clean. Now we'll clean this boundary also, so that if any dust, before closing the lens it should be clean. Now he is cleaning that what I will say, my earring ring or what. This is the one lens inside. So maybe in video it feel like I use very pressure, but normal, but actually I keep my finger very soft on the lens to clean. First I clean with alcohol swab, and then I clean with the tissue to clean this glass inside the lens. And after cleaning everything, same way we will close also this lens. So for routine microscopy, it's very important to keep our microscope neat and clean, avoid any contamination, especially the dust particles, to avoid any wrong microscopy to give any false result. So for these reasons, the main important points are part of microscope is eye lens, objective lens, and light source area. These are the 3 points where the dust, if will come, it will make problem. So it's better to keep our machine clean on regular base. So it's very easy. Anyone can, if they have the screw set in their lab, small screw set, I will share you in any video. So if that screw set available, it's very easy to clean the lenses of the microscope. And objective lens is too much simple. It's just you have to move anti-clockwise and it will come out. I already made video for objective lens cleaning. If anyone not see that video or anyone missed, please write in comment also. So if there is need to make again video, I will make. I have no problem. Now he is closing the lens, so it's taking little bit time because the screws are very small, so it's little bit will take time to close properly. And now you see he will close again back. In same way we will open the right side of the lens and we'll clean the right side. But in this video from one lens, now I hope all of you understand that how to open the lens and how to clean the lens. So that's why I make video for only one lens, because if I will make video for both lens, the video will be very long. Now like that have to make tight. When we will move clockwise it will make tight, and when we will move anti-clockwise it will open. So this is Olympus CX21 microscope that I showed you how to clean the eye lenses. I hope the almost all microscopes have same way to open the eye lens area and you can clean easily. So this video is completed here. I hope you understand how to clean the lens of the microscope, as microscope is very important part of any lab to do the routine microscopy. It's very important to maintain our microscope nicely. Thank you so much.